Hello world, Shelly here, and today I would like to show you guys how I've been doing my everyday brow look using the new Kat Von D Brow Struck Brow Powder, her signature brow pencil, and this brush that I am freaking in love with, her brow powder brush. The Brow Struck powder retails for $20, as does the pencil, and the brush is $18, all available at Sephora. So let's get into this. I'll show you guys how I do my brows and how I use these products, and let's do this. So my current daily brow routine is based around the new Kat Von D Brow Struck powder, and I've got this in the shade Walnut, which is described as being for dark brown to black hair. And the reason I like it is it's just got this undertone that is, it's leaning red. It's like a red-based brown. And while it's a little warmer than what I had wanted, I generally go for a cool undertone brown. This is just such a unique undertone to it, and it might have inspired why I went and dyed my hair red again. I was red for so many years, and it's been a long time since I've been red, but that may have played a role, may have not. Now, I think the key to my love of these new products is this new brow powder brush that she put out. It's number 75. It's the brow powder brush. You've seen this in my favorites, and you see how the end has sort of, it's a comb almost, but it's a brush. It's a brush. It's just the right firmness and just the right softness to be this dual purpose brush. Now, before I put any product in there, what I want to describe what I'm talking about. So like you can brush your brow hairs with this brush while there's product on here, but it is firm enough that you can draw your shaping lines in. And I am just absolutely in love with this brush. Of course, you can use it with any brow powder. You don't have to just use it with Kat Von D, but I'm enjoying this Kat Von D color so much that I'm just digging the whole thing. Now, I also have the signature brow pencil in Walnut, and I've mentioned this on my channel as well. Regular, old, fantastic, normal spoolie on the end. She didn't try to get fancy with it or change it up. I just want a normal spoolie, thank you very much. The tip of this pencil, it's a very micro brow kind of a pencil, but it's an oval shape, and I don't know how well that's going to come across on camera, but it's a sort of oval, and the way she describes it is that you can get a nice micro-bladed look without the needles, of course, and I think all of the shapes are fine. Like, I don't really know, I can't tell a difference between my different micro brow pencil kind of shapes, but my favorite part of this pencil, and it doesn't translate very well when I try to draw it on my hand, but my favorite part of this pencil is just how smoothly, well, it applied pretty smooth, it goes into the brow with very little pressure, so you can get a very light line if you want, but you get a full opacity. It doesn't drag, it doesn't skip. I'm loving this pencil. Now, I don't always go in with the pencil, but when I do, I use it to kind of shape my brow. So let's just do this, shall we? I'm going to use the pencil to shape the bottom just a little bit. And I don't do this very heavy. I'm not going for like Instagram brows here. But I do have like a bald patch right in the center here that I like to fill in. And you can use it to draw in brow hairs as well. I'm going to go in with powder, so this is almost a moot step. But with very little effort, I could even throw some brow gel on and go from here. Like, I don't even need to do the rest if I don't want to. I also like that you can put either cap on either side. I cannot stand when a brow pencil has one cap different, because then you put the wrong cap on and smash the end of your pencil, or it just doesn't fit because it's on the wrong side, and I just really don't like that. I could get up and go just like that. So I'm going to take the brow powder and the brow powder brush, and all I do is boop. Don't need much. And so the top of my brows have just a little bit of missing hair right here, It's more prominent on this side than it is on this side, but I like to fill that in to get a more straight line. So I'm going to draw that on. And then I just take what's left down the top. Boop. Now I'm going to do that combing action. I start in the middle so that I don't get too much depth down at the bottom, and then I comb it through. Look how fast that is. Then I just boop and fill in any sparse areas. One more spoolie through. And then I set with brow gel. Anastasia Beverly Hills. This thing is so loved. Look, you can't even read the label anymore. Like, totally worn off. Clear brow gel. I like to brush the front of my brows up. I really go through and brush all of it up, and then I just smooth down the outer side. People complain that this is too firm of a gel. I want the Something About Mary eye gel. Like, I need that hold on my brows. I like to keep them long. I don't trim them in the front, and they get heavy and they topple over, and then I lose the whole effect. So I need that Something About Mary level of hold in my brow gel. And just like that, brows and face. There you have it. These are my brows. This is what I've been doing every day as my daily brow look using the Kat Von D new release brow products. I am in freaking love. So if you enjoy these little quick instructional how-to or how I'm doing things lately videos, give me a thumbs up down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern time. And as always, thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over makeup with me. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.